Guys, what's up? Today is Sunday, 29th of July. Surprisingly for me, the courier boy, delivered the thing I ordered around 2 or 3 days back, which is obviously the name suggests Go Noise Play Vlog action camera, which has external mic, which supports external mic. So this is the best feature about this camera. And is it also the best budget camera available in the Indian market as of now? Well, let's see. So the camera was launched on 22nd or 24th of July, and today 29th. I ordered it on 26th, I think. Yeah, 26th I ordered it, and in 3 days I got the camera. Let me quickly unbox it and you can have a look at what I got in it. This is the Go Noise Play Vlog Edition camera, which supports external mic, and that's the best feature about this camera. You can see the price. So it's 8,000 written over here, but I got it for 6.5k. So you get all these accessories. The quick start guide, piece of cloth for cleaning it, some mounts. This is the external mic, again some mount, and this is a frame for your when while you want to use the external mic. Okay, so inside this was this Velcro strips. So there's this app you can download from Play Store. You can use it probably from your cell phone. Just scan this code. Scan this code on your Play Store, App Store, and accordingly, you can get the software downloaded. So this is the camera, guys. This is the lens cover, which obviously I'll peel it off later. This part is very smooth. The most important part about both the cam is Xiaomi is a touchscreen, and this is not. So to operate this thing, you'll have to use your cell phone, whereas in Xiaomi you don't need any additional connections. But that's okay. I mean, you can manage it from your cell phone anyways, because it's once when you mount it on your helmet or anywhere, you probably use it from your cell phone. So that's pretty much practical. So let me just use it for a day or two, and then accordingly I'll post the review about this beautiful action cam.
Take care, guys.